The new year brings about the long-awaited enactment of both the GDPR and the California Consumer Protection Act. Now, there's a lot of different things that are going on digitally in terms of what you're able to openly acknowledge and get consent from consumers so far as capturing their information and what you do with that. Now, if you haven't done so already, it's a really good idea to go over this with a good, competent business attorney, as well as certainly some marketing folks, to make sure that you have the appropriate language and processes in place. But I want to take this thing from a crisis PR standpoint, because part of these laws discuss the transparency of disclosing in a very timely manner a breach that may occur involving personal data. Now, beforehand, this was always an issue that needed to be addressed, and most companies, quite frankly, do it very poorly. It's time late when they figure out when the breach occurred, and it's very, very time late when they announce it, and usually when they do, they miss a lot of things that they need to discuss. So in your crisis PR planning, you need to have a response plan in place should the unfortunate but likely event of a data breach occur, because nowadays it's not just simply the loss and trust of consumers, which is bad enough, but you could wind up facing significant legal challenges to the tunes of tens of millions of dollars. And this isn't just for the big companies either. These are the small and mid-sized organizations that can find themselves very culpable and, by their inaction, out of business in a very short order. So if you haven't done so already, find somebody that you feel you can trust to go over what your crisis communications response plan is and how that integrates in with any data breach, because now the stakes are even higher than they were before.